Perfect replacement. Reverse engineered to look, fit and function exactly like the original door mirror on your vehicle's specific year, make and model. Complete assembly. Includes same mirror glass, housing, bracket and technology as the original part that came on the vehicle. Cost-effective and reliable. Functions similarly to the original part but is much less expensive than getting a replacement from the dealership or original manufacturer. Easy installation. No special tools or equipment is necessary for installing this new part. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. An exact match for my original part. My truck is 18 years old. I needed a replacement side mirror and didn't want to pay a lot. I got this and it looked just like my original mirror. So easy to install. Pop the triangle piece of plastic off on the inside of your car, pull out any foam insulation, undo the electric wire, if you have a power mirror, and unscrew the 3 1/4 inch nuts. Outside, pull the old mirror straight off. Now, remove the safety plastic over the threads on the new mirror, feed the wire through the center hole, then line up the 3 prongs and push them through the holes. Screw the nuts back on or use the ones they provide. Tighten, attach the power wire, replace the foam, and pop the plastic triangle back on.